Mm. Okay, first exercise 3.2, first one, fifth one. Okay. So here we have root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0, root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. So what is the first step? You have to mark it as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, you have to mark it as equation 1 and equation 2. So now next step, you are going to take equation 1 and write it as like this, and then you're going to keep x in one side, take everything else to the other side. So root 2x, if this goes to the other side, becomes minus root 3y. Now I have to take root 2 also this side, so x is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2. Okay, this is third. Now first equation over. Now we are going to take the second equation, that is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Now in the place of this x, you are going to substitute this. So root 3 multiplied by minus root 3y divided by root 2 minus root 8y equal to 0. Now root 3 into root 3 is simple 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3 is simple 3. So minus 3y divided by root 2 minus root 8y equal to 0. Now in both y is common, so I am going to take it outside. So take y common outside, so it will be root 3 divided by 2 minus root 8 equal to 0. Now so now you see here y multiplied by this number is 0. So when is in multiplication, when will you get the answer 0? Only when you multiply the number by 0, you are going to get 0. So now clearly this is not going to be root, this is root 2. This is not 0. So what is the thing? What should be 0? So from here, y should be 0 or this term should be 0. But this term is not 0, so y is 0. So what do you get? Y is equal to 0. Now this you have to substitute in 3. So in 3, if you substitute, what is 3? X is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2. So now minus root 3 multiplied by 0 divided by root 3. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So x is also 0. This is the answer. So x is also 0. Y is also 0. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Next, sixth one. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. This side, x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Okay, so we have to make common denominator. So I am going to multiply here numerator and denominator by 3. This multiply numerator and denominator by 2, because 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Here also same thing. So if I multiply 3 3s are 9x minus 10y divided by 6 is equal to minus 2. Take 6 to the other side. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. This is equation 1. Okay, here 2x plus 3y divided by 6 is equal to 13 divided by 6. Now when 6 goes that side, it becomes numerator. So this 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is equation 2. Now for this 2, we have to start. So let me start in the new page, newly. Or do you want me to start it here? Okay, we'll start here even. So now first equation. So 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. Now I'm going to take 1 to the other side. So 9x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. This is equation 3. So first equation solved is over. Now we are going to substitute this in the second equation. So second equation, what is second equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 2 into what is x? We have to write the full thing. Okay, x is minus 12 plus 10y, minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. So multiply 2 inside. Minus 24 plus 20y divided by 9 plus 3y equal to 13. So now I have to multiply here numerator and denominator by 9. Okay. So minus 24 plus 20y plus 27y divided by 9 is equal to 13. I'm going to take 13 to the other side. In the meantime, I'm going to add this. So plus 47y. If I take 13 to 9 to the other side, becomes 13 multiplied by 9. So 47y, 13 multiplied by 9 is 117. This plus goes, this minus goes as it becomes plus. So 47y is equal to, when you add, you're going to get 141. Okay. So now y is equal to 141 divided by 47. Y is equal to 3. You divide and see, you will get 3. Okay. Now I have to substitute this. I have to substitute y equal to 3 in the third equation, that is x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 10 into 3 divided by 9. That is 30 minus 12 divided by 9. 30 minus 12 is 18 divided by 9. X is also equal to 2. So this is the answer.